Highway surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road infrastructure. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, the presence of highway surveyors is essential to ensure that the highways are built and maintained according to the highest standards. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys to gather data on existing road conditions, traffic patterns, and other relevant factors. By analyzing this information, they can make informed decisions about the design and construction of highways in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. One of the key aspects of highway surveying in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, is the use of SCON design. SCON, survey control, design, is a methodology that involves establishing precise control points along the highway alignment. These control points serve as reference points for accurate measurements during construction and maintenance activities. By using SCON design, highway surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon can ensure that the highways are built with precision and accuracy. The work of highway surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon goes beyond just data collection and design. They also play a crucial role in ensuring the safety of the highways. By conducting regular inspections and assessments, they can identify potential hazards or issues that could affect the integrity of the highways. This proactive approach helps in preventing accidents and ensuring the smooth flow of traffic in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. Moreover, highway surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon also contribute to the overall development of the area. By conducting surveys and collecting data on traffic patterns and road conditions, they can provide valuable insights to urban planners and policymakers. This information can be used to make informed decisions about infrastructure development, traffic management, and future road expansion projects in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. Highway surveyors are essential to the construction and upkeep of the nation's transportation network. Highway surveyors are necessary to ensure that the roadways in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, are constructed and maintained to the highest standards. These experts are in charge of carrying out surveys to compile information on current traffic patterns, road conditions, and other pertinent elements. They can decide how to design and build the motorways in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, by carefully examining this data. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, using SCON design is one of the most important parts of highway surveys. A technique known as SCON, survey control, design entails the establishment of exact control stations along the route of the highway. These control points act as a point of reference for precise measurements throughout construction and maintenance tasks. Highway surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon can guarantee accurate and precise construction of the highways by adopting SCON design. More than only data gathering and design are involved in the work of highway surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. They are essential to maintaining the safety of the roads. They are able to spot possible dangers or problems that can jeopardize the integrity of the highways by doing routine inspections and evaluations. The smooth operation of traffic in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon is ensured by this proactive approach to accident prevention. Highway surveyors in Udyog Vihar,